Welcome back, students. Today we're going to study the sound of the letter N. N. So what we're going to do is we're going to put our arms out, stretch them out, and we're going to pretend to be an airplane making a nosedive. And we're going to go meow, 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 meow. Very good. Our first word is N-O-S-E. N-O-S-E for nose. Nose. Point at your nose. Point at your nose. Good job. Next word. N-O-S-E-D-I-V-E. N-O-S-E-D-I-V-E. Like in the illustration, the airplane is going nose first, nose dive. Next word, N-A-S-T-Y, N-A-S-T-Y, nasty, nasty. Have you ever walked in the street past a garbage bin and there was, a nasty smell, bad smell. Next word, S-N-A-P. S-N-A-P. Snap. Can you snap? Last word, M-A-N. M-A-N. Man. Man. So a man is the masculine human, the male human. Well done.